Hiya lovelies, welcome back. So today is going to be part 2 of my highlighter collection, and what I'm going to do is swatch them for you and tell you which one I prefer and which one I don't like so much. You know, the summer is upon us and we want to be glowing like the goddesses that we are, so I'm going to be showing you some affordable ones. Sorry about that knocking in the back, my neighbor is fixing his house. So I'll be telling you about what's affordable and what works for, you know, women of color and all that good stuff. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first one I want to start off with is this one from City Color, and it's their highlight trio, and this has 3 different shades. I don't know if you guys can see it well, but it has a sort of goldeny shade here, then something like a champagne, well, I don't know if that's what you call champagne. This one is kind of like a pinkish gold. And this, my friends, was very, very affordable. I got this a long time ago, and it's more of a subtle highlight. So let me go ahead and show you how they look. Okay, so this is from the City Color. Look how beautiful those are. Oh my word, I forgot how beautiful this palette is actually. So you get 3 lovely, beautiful shades there. And that's from the City Color highlight trio. Beautiful. Okay, so the next one I want to share with you guys is this one from Revolution, and it's called their Ultra Pro Glow. And I've had this one, I think, since last year, and I love it. I tend to travel with it a lot when I'm going on vacation because it has blushes, and it has different, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different shades to choose from. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. So that's what it looks like, and I'm going to swatch for you. So as you can see, this is the first row at the top here. Very nice. Let's go ahead and swatch the second row. So this is the second row. And as you can see, the shade on the right, the golden shade, I use that one a lot because I love how it looks on my skin tone. So this is the second row, and this is the first row of the Revolution Ultra Pro Glow. And this is another affordable palette. You guys know how affordable Revolution is. So yeah, you can, this shade right here is such a beautiful pinky, purplish kind of blusher. Absolutely gorgeous. This one I want to share with you guys is from the brand called Live Beauty. I'm not familiar with that brand, but this is their Shine Bright highlighter palette, and you get 6 different shades. It's very similar to the Revolution palette. Very, very similar. You get these beautiful shades. You get blushers as well. So that's what it looks like when you open it. So you get these beautiful shades here. And I also like this palette. It was very affordable. I cannot remember the price because I bought this some time ago. Yeah, so let's go ahead and swatch it and see. Okay, so these are the top 3. And I always tend to go for the same highlight, as they all, you know, they act as shadows as well as a lovely highlight. And these are the bottom 3. So this is from this palette, Live Beauty Shine Bright. Let's move on to this one from Lovey, and I bought this, I want to say about 4 years ago. I think it might be expired, but it's such a beautiful shade. Hope you guys can see that. And this was also affordable. Don't know if you can see that. Let me go ahead and swatch it for you. It is so pigmented. Yeah, so this one is from the brand called Lovey, and I think they have a store. I'm not sure if you can find them all over the UK, but yes, the store is called Lovey, I think, and I got this bronzer from them years ago, and it was also very affordable. Okay, so let's quickly move on to this Revolution highlighter, and it's in the shade Rock On World, and I used to use this religiously, you guys. It's so beautiful. It's a golden tone, and it's very nice on deep to dark skin tones. Look at that, absolutely gorgeous. So let me go ahead and swatch that. I used to live for this highlighter, guys. It's such a beautiful golden tone, absolutely gorgeous on women of color, and of course it was affordable. Yeah, so if you guys are on the lookout for highlighters, I would say go and check out Revolution. They have absolutely amazing highlighters, so go and check them out. But yeah, I love this one, and I still use it up to today because it's just so beautiful. So this one is Rock On World from Revolution. Okay, so this one I also bought years ago, and this is from the brand Collection. It's a drugstore brand, and it's their Bronze Glow Mosaic, and it looks something like this when you open it. I just loved how the inside looked. I haven't used this in ages, you guys, but it's a very subtle. When I use it, I just go like this, just do my brush like that, and then just put it on my cheeks or wherever I want to highlight. So that's what it looks like. Absolutely beautiful. I haven't used this in ages. I don't know why I don't use these things anymore, but look how beautiful that is, guys. And again, Collection is a drugstore brand, so you know they're going to be affordable. Look how battered and bruised this looks. Yeah, I've had it for quite some time, you guys. I'm going to go back to using it. Yeah, so that's the Collection Bronze Glow Mosaic, if that's how you pronounce the word. I'm not sure. Right, let's move on to this one from Bella Pierre. It can be used as a highlighter as well as an eyeshadow, and when you open it, it looks like that. It's a yellow toned highlighter. My fingernails are too long. It looks a lot like the Fenty. So let's do that. Beautiful. Yeah, so this one is from Bella Pierre. It looks so much like the Fenty. Actually, I'm going to swatch the Fenty Beauty beside it and see how close of a dupe this one is to the Fenty Beauty. Yeah, so that one is from Bella Pierre, and it's called Twilight. And last but not least is the Fenty Beauty. I saved this one for last because I know that you guys love this one, but I have to admit I'm not the biggest fan. It's a bit too yellow, so I just use it as an eyeshadow. But I love the packaging, but it's a little bit hard to open, and so you'll see some holes poked in it. Excuse the fingernail holes. Yeah, so this is Trophy Wife from Fenty Beauty, and I know a lot of you guys have this in your collection. So let's go ahead and swatch that right here beside the Bella Pierre. So this is the Bella Pierre and this is the Fenty Beauty. They are very close. The Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife is a little bit more pigmented, but this one from Bella Pierre is a good enough match. Actually, I do prefer the one from Bella Pierre. I find the Trophy Wife a little bit too much in your face, but it is beautiful nonetheless, and I wanted to get it just because I can see that I have something from Riri, of course. So yeah, this is Trophy Wife from Fenty Beauty, and that's Bella Pierre Twilight. So there you have it, lovelies, my highlighter collection part 2. If there's any that you'd like me to try, do let me know in the comment section down below. I am a big fan of highlighters. I think they make your skin look so gorgeous, youthful and glowy. So I'm always trying to find something that's affordable but very good. So this is my part 2 collection. I do hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Of course, a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed. Please help my channel out. I'd really appreciate that. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Let's have a chat, of course. Turn the notifications on so you never miss an upload. It's that little bell down there on the right. Yes, make sure you click on that. And of course, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.